Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll learn about physical factor for plant growth. Physical factors. Here you can see pore space into soil. We can find large pore space and small pore space in soil. Now number 1 physical factor, distribution of pore space. How distribution of pore space affect soil growth, plant growth and act as physical factor we will learn. For good plant growth there must be enough large pore space to hold air and enough small pore space to retain water. Large pore space to hold air and small pore space retain water. To satisfy the need of plant root for oxygen and water between the cycle of rainfall and irrigation. Air helps plant root supplying oxygen and water supply water is too. Okay, large pore space, this pore space is for air and this pore space for water. Water can't remain in large pore space for gravity. This can't retain water and small pore space retain water. Soil texture. What is soil texture? Soil texture determines water holding capacity, permeability, hardness, nutrient retainability, inundation, etc. Loamy doash texture. Soil is most suitable for crop production than soil of other texture. Loamy is a good texture. Sandy texture is not good texture. Soil texture. So soil texture determine water holding capacity, permeability, hardness, nutrient retainability, inundation. Now there will a question in your mind. What is why small pore for water if even water need more than air? Why small pore for water? Why not large pore for water pore space? Let's see, the largest pore drain rapidly because they are unable to retain water against the force of gravity. This large pore space unable to retain water against the force of gravity. Next. Here you can see large particle of soil and a small particle of soil. Large particle resist erosion. This large particle resist erosion. And next. Soil structure. The bonding of individual mineral particle into large stable particle resist erosion. If there is a large, you can imagine there is a large stable particle into mineral particle. Large particle into mineral particle resist erosion, thus provide more stability to plant. Beside, soil structure influence the root distribution, infiltration, percolation, etc. that affect plant growth directly. You should imagine to understand more. Soil color. Soil color reveal about organic matter content. If there is more organic matter, soil will be more dark color. Drainage condition, age. Soil color also determine age of soil. much and much more. Moreover, it also controls the soil temperature for plant root zone and hence microbial activities, root function and other biochemical reaction. And now hardness and cementation of soil layer. Natural or machinery induced hardness soil are common to many soil. We will see hard pan in next slide. This image shows hard pan layer in the soil. Such hard pan inhibits root penetration and thereby reduces the effective soil volume. Hard pan inhibits root penetration. Root can't penetrate into this hard pan and also reduced effective soil volume, and from which plant can absorb nutrient. From effective soil volume, plant absorb nutrient and water. Water may be trapped above a hard pan, causing a waterlogged layer of soil. Here, hard pan causes waterlogged layer of soil and water can't penetrate, infiltrate or percolate because of this hard pan layer, and water trapped and result a waterlogged layer of soil. So today we learn physical factor for plant growth, physical factor in soil for plant growth. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel.